I like to discuss the topic of corporate governance principles in our corporate governance course. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Anggraini, student ID number 23411181 from the Management 23D class. Definition of corporate governance. Corporate governance is a system used to regulate, manage, and oversee the operation of a company so that it can operate effectively, transparently, and accountably toward all parties with an interest in the company stakeholders. Five key principles of corporate governance. The first, transparency. Transparency is the principle of a company's openness in providing important information to all stakeholders. This information must be communicated in a complete, accurate, and timely manner, and must be easily accessible and understandable to avoid misunderstanding. The purpose of transparency is to build trust among stakeholders, such as investors, creditors, and the public. Additionally, transparency helps bridge the information gap between management and external parties, enabling stakeholders to make more rational and informed decisions. For example, a company openly shares important information such as management changes or risks it faces. Second, accountability. Accountability means having clarity regarding roles, structure, system, and responsibilities within a company, so that every decision and action taken can be properly accounted for. The purpose of accountability is to ensure that company management operates effectively and efficiently. Additionally, accountability ensures that every individual performs their duties within their scope of authority and prevents the abuse of power. For example, there is a clear organizational structure distinguishing between the board of directors, the board of commissioners, and shareholders. 3. Responsibility. Corporate responsibility refers to a company's obligation to conduct its business activities in accordance with applicable laws and regulations and to uphold business ethics. The purpose of corporate responsibility is to ensure that a company operates lawfully and ethically, thereby avoiding legal violations that could potentially harm the company, while also maintaining good relations with the community and the surrounding environment. Examples include paying tax in accordance with applicable regulation and complying with labor laws. 4. Independence. Independence is state in which a company is managed professionally and objectively, without interference or pressure from any party and free from conflicts of interest. The purpose of independence is to ensure that every decision made is objective, not influenced by the interests of specific parties that could harm the company, and to foster fair and neutral management. For example, the board of directors makes decisions without interference from majority shareholders, while independent commissioners oversee the board performance honestly and impartially. 5. Fairness. Fairness is an principles that emphasize the importance of treating all stakeholders fairly and equally in accordance with their respective rights and obligations. The purpose of this principle is to create a balance of interests among parties, avoid discrimination or unfair treatment, and build trust and loyalty among shareholders. For example, a company provides equal access to information for all investors, treats employees fairly in terms of salary and employment opportunities, and does not discriminate based on position, gender, or background. Conclusion: these five principles are interrelated and inseparable. If a company is able to consistently uphold transparency, accountability, responsibility, independence, and fairness, it will earn greater trust from its stakeholders, demonstrate improved performance, and be better positioned to survive and thrive in the long term. Okay, that's all the material we're covering. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.